When people first hear about Frappe Cloud, they often think of it as just hosting. But Frappe Cloud is much more than a place where your ERPNext or Frappe apps run. It is a platform designed to handle the entire lifecycle of your Frappe app instances. I'm Vibhav. I work in the Frappe Cloud team, and in this video, we are going to take a walk through Frappe Cloud's most salient features. To keep things simple, we can divide Frappe Cloud features into 5 areas: install, upgrade, backup, monitor, and develop. Let's start with install. This is the first step in a Frappe site's journey. Installing open source software is not easy. You need the right OS, dependencies, and configurations. Moreover, small mistakes can break the setup. Frappe Cloud removes all of this complexity. You just need to make a few clicks to choose the app, the version, the region, etc., and your site will be ready in minutes. No manual commands, no juggling with dependencies, and no trial and error. This means faster onboarding for new users, less repeated work for consultants and partners, and a reliable setup for everyone. Once a site is properly installed, you use it for some time and get comfortable, comes the next step in the lifecycle: upgrades. Frappe engineers ship bug fixes and security updates almost every week. Major version updates with new features and performance improvements come every year. You don't want to miss out on those. But upgrades are risky and time-consuming. They are often delayed until something breaks. Frappe Cloud makes upgrades easy. Firstly, upgrades can be triggered from the dashboard with just a click. All dependencies are handled automatically. Backups are taken before making any changes, and if something breaks, Frappe Cloud initiates automatic rollback. You can also test upgrades on staging environments before touching production. If something goes wrong, you're not stuck. You can restore and move on. Overall, something that teams often struggle with is now sorted. Upgrades are rather boring. Well, that's how it should be. Over time, as you get more business-critical data on Frappe apps, the next step that appears is backups. Everyone knows backups are important, but manual backups depend on scripts, schedules, and people remembering to check them. Frappe Cloud handles backups automatically. Site backups and server snapshots are taken on a daily basis. You can trigger a backup even manually. Off-site S3 storage is used to keep backups secure. Data restore, whether for recovery, testing, or audits, is super easy. As a result, you get complete peace of mind through secure and automatic backups. The next area is even more critical: monitoring. When something slows down, the hardest part is often figuring out why. Frappe Cloud gives you visibility into what's happening across your sites and servers through a range of metrics and analytics tools. You can see resource usage, background jobs, storage consumption, activity logs, scheduler logs, error logs, audit logs, traces, and everything else that is standard in the cloud world. In the last year or so, we have released a series of dev tools such as slow query analysis and database insights that help you in root cause analysis while debugging performance issues, say on custom apps. And then of course, there are alerts and notifications available to keep you on your toes. Our goal behind all of these features is to help teams shift from firefighting to proactive management. Finally, we come to the last area: development. In the most minimal form, you can automate actions in Frappe apps using server scripts and background jobs. Additionally, you can also manage development, staging, and production environments in Frappe Cloud. Moreover, you can also deploy custom apps. If your app is on Frappe's marketplace, it's just one click away. If you have your own app, you can install it from GitHub. If something goes wrong, you can inspect logs and database behavior, or even get limited time access to your bench via SSH. In short, if you are a developer, your life will be easier, but without losing depth and control. I'll end by reiterating what I said in the beginning of the video. Frappe Cloud isn't just about hosting Frappe app data. It's about installing without friction, upgrading without fear, backing up without effort, monitoring without guesswork, and developing without unnecessary complexity. All these features put together reduce effort and risk and allow teams to focus on business instead of infrastructure problems. Hope this video helped you understand some of Frappe Cloud's important features. To read more about it, please visit frappe.io/cloud/features.